it's your girl Slay Paris here. I know I've been gone for a while. You guys know I've been working on my wedding, and I feel like I say that in every single video, but I just gotta remind you guys so you guys don't think I'm lazy or whatever. I'm working on my wedding, so that's why I've been so absent on this channel, but I am back for a while until after my wedding, and I wanted to share with you guys my 5 favorite summer scents, my 5 favorite summer fragrances. I feel like one of the most requested videos over on Slay Paris is about perfumes, because you guys know I have a huge collection of perfumes. I love perfumes. I used to work with perfumes. Perfumes is my life. So I decided, instead of doing an entire perfume haul, which will probably take like 45 minutes to go through, I'd rather do my top 5 scents for each season. So as the seasons go by, I'll make a new video called my top 5 summer scents, winter scents, and so on and so on. In the summertime, I like to smell sweet and citrusy and just very delicious. Delicious is what I think of when it comes to summer fragrances. So I like sweet, vanilla, orange, citrus, like those type of scents, things that when you walk by people, they're like, you smell good too. But before I tell you my top 5 favorite summer scents, I want to let you guys know about Scentbird. Scentbird is my favorite perfume accessory. Whenever I talk about perfume in any of my videos, I always bring up Scentbird because it is so convenient, it's so cute, it's so me, and I just want to share it with you guys. So Scentbird is a monthly subscription where you can sample hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of designer high luxury brand perfumes, guys. And it's only $15, 15, not 50, $15 a month, and you could try brands like Tom Ford, Gucci, and Versace. And Scentbird isn't only for ladies. Scentbird is also for men. They have colognes as well from hundreds and hundreds of luxury brands. So if you have a boyfriend or you're a man watching this right now, you can also sign up for Scentbird as well. And since Scentbird partners with the top luxury brands, you know that every time that you get a sample, it's 100% authentic every single time. So Scentbird comes in these cute little packages. Look at this. Super, super cute. And all you do is roll it up. There's a little spray. Bap, bap. Delicioso. And when you're done, you just roll it back down. And with each fragrance, you get a 30-day supply. So that's about 120 to 140 sprays, which is absolutely nothing like the little samples that you get from Sephora and the department stores. Look at the difference. Hello! And I actually enjoy Scentbird a lot more than rollerballs because I feel like maybe it's just me, but rollerballs don't stay on my skin the way I want them to. And since this is a spray, it's literally a mini version of your favorite perfume rather than something you have to roll on your arm and nobody can even smell it. And rollerballs are like $30 to $50 at Sephora. This is 15, 1-5. You cannot go wrong with this. And if you want to know what scent you got, all you have to do is pull it out of the case. And the label is right there, Prada Candy. So this month I did get Prada Candy, which is a staple scent. I feel like everybody loves Prada Candy. It is just sweet. It's not too strong, but it's also very there. It's very present. And whenever someone smells it, you always get compliments. I feel like Prada Candy is one of those perfumes where you'll never not get compliments. It's just so beautiful. A nice, amazing, sweet, sexy scent. I also got Versace Bright Crystal, which is a subtle, fresh floral scent by Versace. It's very, very beautiful, one of my favorites. And I also got my mom's favorite, which is Dolce & Gabbana Light Blue. And I chose this one because I wanted to give it to my mom because she always talks about how she wants perfumes in her car. So this is like super, super easy to just throw in your car, spray it on yourself, or spray your car to make your car smell good. Throw it in your purse, throw it in your pocket. It's just super, super convenient. And I was able to get you guys 50% off with the link in my description box down below. So if you ever had in mind a perfume you always wanted to try, but you didn't want to buy the full size bottle, you just wanted to try it out for a while because perfume does smell different on everyone's body, I would suggest Scentbird. You're absolutely gonna love it. It's not gonna put a dent in your pocket. Plus, I just gave you guys 50% off with the link in my description box down below, and you'll be smelling good all summer 2019, okay? So if you're interested, make sure you click the link in the description box down below. There's automatically a 50% coupon there for you guys to use. I got you guys. I always try to get coupons for you guys, and they did you guys good. Not 15% off, 50, half off. That means you guys are gonna get it for like $7. Hello, thank me later. You can thank me later. Thank you so much to Scentbird for sponsoring today's video. But let's get on to my top 5 favorite summer fragrances. So the first fragrance that I like is actually 2 perfumes layered on top of each other, and they are by K.Ali. It is a K.Ali citrus perfume. mixed with the Kayali vanilla perfume. This will make you smell like you just walked out of a cheesecake factory, a strawberry cheesecake factory. I don't know where the strawberries came from, but a cheesecake factory or a cookie factory. But it's not childish. It is not like little girly. It's like very sensual, very sweet. Like you want to eat me. Like you just want to take a bite out of me. Like that's what I smell like when I'm wearing these. And I actually did a video on all of the Kayali perfumes if you guys want to check it out. I love Kayali's brand. I love it so much. It's just so grown woman and just me. It's so sexy and elegant. And these two on top of each other, guys, I wish you guys could smell the screen. It's just delicious. You smell like you taste good. Okay, you smell like somebody want to lick your shoulder. Like that's how good these two smell together. And it's definitely my first go-to in the summertime whenever I'm just going somewhere like the mall or to the store, to grocery shopping, whatever. I definitely put this on and I get tons and tons of compliments every single time. It's just a very delicious, delicious scent. It smells so good. And if you guys are confused about layering and why I just picked up 2 perfumes, you can watch the Kayali video. I explain everything and why layering is so amazing. It's just you create your own scent, you know what I mean? If you want to learn more about that, then watch my Kayali video on this channel. The next perfume I'm about to show you guys is also another combination. It is by Atelier, and Atelier is exclusive to Sephora. I think they also have their own standalone stores now, but when I worked at Sephora, they were exclusive to Sephora. So Atelier Pacific Lime and Atelier Orange Sanguini. These 2 scents put together makes you smell like you just came fresh off the boat in Jamaica, Montego Bay. It smells like a margarita. Pacific Lime by itself smells like a margarita. It's very citrusy. It's very almost sour, and that's not gonna make sense to some people, but it's a good sour, like gummy bear sour, but it's not childish. Again, I don't have any childish perfumes. It's not childish at all. It's just like a very potent lime scent. It's so delicious. And then Orange Sanguini is like you just cut open 100 oranges and let them sit out. It's just, this smells like straight oranges. It's so delicious. And a tip for any of my marijuana smokers out there, I wouldn't know, but orange cologne actually gets rid of any type of potent smell like cigarettes or marijuana or anything like that. So a lot of people like to keep this specific perfume in their car in case they're smoking, because it does get rid of the scent a lot quicker and a lot easier than any other perfume or deodorizer. But that's just a little tip. These 2 put together smells like you're on vacation. I don't know how else to explain it to you guys. It smells like you're on vacation, like you're having a good ass time, like you're not worried about nothing. This smells like carefree. Very, very citrusy, very, very fruit-like, very yummy. I like to wear this when I'm going to the beach or I'm going somewhere where I know I'm going to be outside a lot, because when the sun hits your body when you're wearing these specific perfumes, it heats the perfume up and kind of starts all over again. It's almost like you sprayed it all over again fresh. Once the sun beats on your skin, it like reactivates the scent. So these stay on you all day when you're in the sun, which is why I like to wear them when I'm going to the beach or I'm going to like a day party or something. And these as well give me a lot of compliments. People are like, you smell like oranges, you smell like fruits, you smell delicious. And that's what I'm going for the summer. I like delicious. I like to smell like I taste good. My third scent is one perfume alone, but it's super expensive. It's Tom Ford. I know I can't pronounce that, but it's this one right here, okay? This just smells like an expensive woman, and it's super expensive, so it makes sense. I think this is the most I ever spent on a perfume in my entire life, and it's not even that big, but it's Tom Ford, so it makes sense. And I love this perfume, and I use it very scarcely because, again, I spent like almost $300 on this, and I like to wear this when I'm going somewhere really nice, like if I'm going to a wedding or if I'm going on a really romantic date with Cameron. I'll throw this on. I barely touch it, but for the summertime, I know I'm going to be doing a lot of like grown-up things, a lot of very prestigious events and special occasions. So I'm going to be grabbing for this more, which is why I put this in the top 5 list, because it is a very elegant, sexy, grown woman scent. I feel like there's no one in the world who wouldn't like how this smells. It literally smells clean. It almost smells like sunscreen, but a really good sunscreen. I don't know how else to explain it. It's just very grown woman, very sexy, very fiance. Like, I feel like if Tom Ford was to rename this, they should rename it Fiance, because that's the vibe that I get from it. It's a beautiful, beautiful scent and definitely worth the money, because when I wear this, every person who walks by me says something to me, and it stays on your body for a very, very, very long time. You literally have to wash it off for it to get off of your body. And I feel like this could be unisex. I feel like men and women could both wear it. It's not too fruity or too sweet for men to wear. And it's not too masculine and musky for women to wear. It's like right in the middle. It's the best scent ever. The fourth perfume I'm about to show you is also one perfume by itself. It is Viktor and Ralph Magic Liquid Diamonds. I got this from Sephora and it was pretty pricey as well, but worth it. This smells like sparkling champagne and pears. So good. Every time I smell it, I'm like, I can't believe that they got this scent in this bottle. So delicious. And as you can see, I used to use it up, but lately I've been like, okay, let me just calm down, because God knows I'm not about to spend another $270 something on another one. Actually, I probably will, because it's so good. It's so good. This is another date night fragrance, like if you're going somewhere romantic or if you're going on a dinner date, a first date, any of those type of things. This is definitely that fragrance. So stinking good. And sometimes, you want to know something? Sometimes I layer this with a Tom Ford and I can't even speak about it. The government might lock me up for telling you their secrets on how to smell like a delicious ball of deliciousness, for real. I'm gonna keep my mouth shut. And the last fragrance for my top 5 favorite summer fragrances is Carolina Herrera New York Good Girl. This is the Eau de Perfume, but I also have the Eau de Toilette. They're both absolutely delicious, shaped like heels, so cute in your vanity or your perfume case. Again, another grown woman scent. I feel like the first perfumes that I told you are more like a everyday, going to the mall, just doing what you gotta do scent. The rest of them are date night, grown woman, sexy scents. This is another wedding perfume. Not the perfume I'd wear for my wedding, because I do plan on making my own signature scent for my wedding. Because I feel like if I make a perfume, then it's customized to me, and every time that Cameron smells it, he's gonna be like, yes, our wedding day, you know what I mean? And I only will spray it for our anniversary. But anyways, beyond the point, I ramble too much. This perfume just is, oh, I love perfume, yo. I friggin' love perfume. Tom Ford was Fiance. Excuse me. Good Girl is Beyonce. Like, for real. I feel like this is what Beyonce smells like. Again, grown woman, sexy, elegant, beautiful, gorgeous. I can't even explain to you guys what it smells like. You literally have to go into a department store and smell it for yourself. It's undescribable. I cannot describe to you guys what it smells like. It's a little bit sweet with a little bit of musk in there. It's so hard to explain, but it's so damn good. It smells so damn good. So damn good that I had to buy 2, as you can see. The Eau de Toilette and the Eau de Perfume. The Eau de Perfume is a little bit stronger, but I find that they smell exactly the same. That's just me though. Anyways, guys, that was my top 5 favorite summer fragrances for 2019, I guess, because my fragrance taste does change throughout the years. I'll be doing spring, fall, and winter one when those times come, so check out those ones when the time is right. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Leave a comment down below and let me know what your favorite summer scent is. I hope you guys recommend me something that I've never tried before, because I'm always looking for new perfumes. So if there's any perfume that you think I would absolutely die for and love, leave in the comment section down below as well. Doesn't even matter the season or anything. I just want to try some new perfumes that I've never touched before. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching today's video. Remember, if you want 50% off of Scentbird, the link is in the description box down below. If you ever want to try any of the perfumes that I recommended to you today, Scentbird probably has it. And like I said, it's going to be $7 for you guys, and the link is in the description box down below. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Toodles!